Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 11 things to do in Burnaby with your little ones, and it's really family friendly and kids friendly. Especially the summer is coming up, so I think this video will be really useful for you, so stay tuned.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful...
So the first place that I highly recommend is Barnet Marine Park. So this park has beautiful beach to the ocean. It has beautiful view as well. Lots of place to do picnics and lots of sand to play with as well. So Brandon loved this area. He played for 2 hours non-stop playing with the sand. And the sand is really beautiful as well. It's not rocky on this side, but just be careful later on this video I'm going to show you why. We went to this place 3 times, and this is the first time we find the beach area. So the beach area is on the right side. The sand is more beautiful, and it also has like fort and also beautiful view as well, and lots of greenery area. They used to have lots of picnic table, but they closed it down because of the COVID. But still you can bring your own mat or a tent, and then you can have a picnic there.
I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple.
So if you live in Burnaby area, you still can enjoy the beach. You don't need to go to Vancouver or Coquitlam for the White Pine Beach. So this is the place that you can go to if you live in Burnaby. Just make sure to go early in the morning, like around 10 or 11 o'clock, because it is free parking, but it's get full pretty quickly if you go around noon or afternoon. And we celebrate our Mother's Day there, and we just bought something from La Forêt. And for brunch we got some pastries and tiramisu and some chocolate cake as well. I highly recommend the Nutella bread. The one on the front is really good. The tiramisu I think is the best in Burnaby, so I highly recommend it. And this area has a washroom as well, public washroom, so it's really nice. It's pretty clean. It also has a little playground, but this is the area that I want to mention about. So we went to Barnet Park 3 times, but only the third one we went to the beach area. We found it, but the first and second one we didn't find the beach. We find this area, and it's like really rocky, and it's not as pretty as the beach. So it's on the left side on this area. If you don't want to play with the sand, if you want to sit on the greenery area, you can still enjoy the view and lots of place to do the picnic. But if you have little one that like to play with sand like Brandon, I would suggest you to go to the right side. They have 3 entrances. Make sure you go to the middle one or to the right one, so you can reach the beach where it has the beautiful sand.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Next things to do in Burnaby would be Burnaby Village Museum. It is free admission, but you just need to book it online because of the current situation. And it's free parking, and it is open from May until September. So it's pretty nice, especially if you're going with little ones. They really enjoy to see the little town. And they used to have the carousel as well, and Brandon loved the carousel, but currently it is closed because of COVID. But you can still enjoy the little town, about the stories, about the show as well. And they also have lots of picnic table where you can eat your food at the picnic table, or you can buy something from the ice cream parlor.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
So I was quite surprised Brandon loved this little town as well. We went here a couple times when he was a baby, but this is the first time I brought him here when he's 4 years old. So he really enjoyed it. He brought his toy camera, and he took lots of pictures and video as well. So I highly recommend this toy camera. I'm gonna put the link below just in case you're interested. For the ice cream parlor, they have so many hot food as well, like hot dogs, sandwiches, and chicken tenders. They also have lots of cakes, ice creams. So we just bought the kids meal and also the ice cream.
till we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Next things to do in Burnaby will be Deer Lake Park and Trails. It's really close to Burnaby Village Museums. It also has the free parking, but make sure to go early in the morning because it's quite busy during the weekend. Brendan loved this area because he can see lots of ducks, so it's pretty entertaining for him. And you can also rent a boat during the summertime. And I saw a lot of people do fishing and crabbing as well, depends on the season. Next to the lake will be the trails. We brought Brandon to do the trails with us. This is the first time, and we spent about more than 1 hour I think to do the trails, and it's pretty nice. You can see a lot of beautiful view as well. So I will say this trail will be kids friendly and stroller friendly as well. Next things to do in Burnaby would be Edmonds Park. This is one of Brandon's favorite parks. It has lots of slides, and it also has sections for younger kids and older kids. And it has the yellow slides that Brandon loves so much. He goes over and over again whenever we go to the Edmonds Park. It has free parking as well, lots of parking, but again it gets busy in the afternoon and late afternoon, so we usually like to go in the morning around 10 o'clock, and it's pretty nice. And it also has the rubber floor and lots of climbing places, so Brandon loved this one, and he can climb here as well. He loved this section. And also during the summertime it has a large water park as well. It hasn't opened yet, but it will be open soon after Victoria Day long weekend, so they will open from 9 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock at night. It also has the public washroom as well. It has lots of swings and lots of slides where it can entertain the kids for hours.
Of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Next things to do in Burnaby would be David Gray Park. This is our hidden gem in Burnaby. Not a lot of people know about this park. We love this park because it has the sand pit, and it has a bigger slide for bigger kids and another slides for younger kids. And also during summertime they have wedding pools. This is last year, so they're gonna open it after Victoria Day long weekend, so end of May. Before COVID they used to have lots of toys on the wedding pool, but because of COVID they will not put the toys anymore on the wedding pool. They used to have like a outdoor preschool as well outside, and it's free. It's pretty nice, but because of the COVID they stopped it. And so we are really excited to wait for the wedding pool for this year. And for the parking, it is free as well. It's a free street parking, and usually it's pretty quiet. And what I love about this park is they have a separate area for dogs. So if you have dogs, you can bring them here so they can run around here. And I also want to mention something about the sandpit. Before I researched about sandpit, I used to let Brandon play sandpit every day. But turns out when I read an article about it, it's pretty dirty and lots of germs inside. So it depends on how comfortable you are. But if you want to let your kids play with the sandpit, they have the sandpit as well, and lots of kids love it because it has the T-Rex fossil inside.
When I dance around, I can't help.
Next will be Rene Memorial Park. It has a huge park as well and baseball field, and it also has the splash pad during the summertime, so it's pretty nice. This is our go-to park as well, and Brandon loves it. And it also has a free parking. It's a street park. It also has a huge sand pit as well, but again it really depends on how comfortable you are with your kids playing with the sand, because after the research there have a lot of germs inside. I didn't know about that before, so I let him play, and sometimes I still let him play. I just bring like a small bottle of water and like a small hand soap, and we'll wash his hands afterwards.
I watch you as you drive.
Next will be Suncrest Park and Splash Pad. So this park is really close to David Gray Park. So if you're thinking to go to Splash Pad, you can go to this park. If you're thinking to go to a wedding pool, you can go to David Gray. But this park is pretty popular, so sometimes it gets really busy, but lots of water feature where they can play with. It also have like a small playground with the slides and little house as well, so Brandon loved this park. It's a free street parking as well and lots of parking, but again it's really busy. I think the positive side of this park as well, the water features is in the middle, so it's really easy to go picnic and watch your kids while they're playing in the middle.
Forever, 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 forever.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good.
Next is Ron Mclean Park, and it is one of Brene's favorite park as well. It has the fire trucks, car, excavators, and it also has trails on the side if you would like to walk around. It also has the wedding pool during the summertime, and it's pretty nice, but sometimes it's quite busy. It's more popular compared to David Gray Park. If you're looking somewhere quiet, David Gray Park will be better, but it also has a free parking, so it's really easy as well to park. Next will be Taylor Park. This is one of our favorite park as well. It's pretty huge. It has the trail as well. You can bike here as well, and it has a large sand pit which Brandon loves. And again, it's really huge. It has 2 excavators which he loves. Next things to do in Burnaby would be Burnaby Mountain. You can do picnic here, and it has the beautiful view. And during the winter time, you can also play sled here. It has a large area, so if it is snowing, it's really nice. So next will be Burnaby Central Railway, where you can ride on the train, and it's really cheap as well per person. I think it's really worth it if you have a little one. Unfortunately, it's currently temporarily closed because of the COVID, but I'm still looking and keep checking when will they open, because the little kids can ride the train, and also they can see lots of like miniature train as well. So if your kids love train, he will really enjoy this one.
We just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So I hope you like this video. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment below, because it's really supporting my channel by doing that way. And also make sure to check out my other video, and I'm going to put the link below as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I'm looking, with you everything's complete.